Here I've got Apple iPhone SE from 2020, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, and now pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. It can be Ellen. Tap on Edit, and now if you click over here on Edit icon, you will be able to change the profile picture. So you can either change the background on this E letter, then you can pick some emoji right here. So you can choose something from yours. Then you can choose some animal. And also you can customize it. Or you can choose something from your gallery. So just let me click on all photos right here. Then choose the one that you would like to apply. It can be like that, for example. And then click on choose. Now you can add some filter if you want to. For example, let me choose vivid color. And then click on done. And that's it. As you can see, just tap on done one more time. From now on, this profile picture is assigned to this contact. So once Ellen will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.